that you literally cannot see across the Chicago River with all this snow. You can barely see the top of the Lyric Opera House. It's just insane. I think that's Boeing back there, that dark blob in the background. Wow. It's just wild. Look at, can you see the clouds of this stuff? It's just crazy. It's the Lyric Opera House over there. You can see about one block, maybe. Yeah, you are, Mike. How do you love it? Look at this shit.
3 o'clock this morning.
It's Snow-Obi-Wan Kenobi, man. He's out here pushing the stuff. That's right.
Snowy. Chicken chalk, I like. You know what I mean.
Careful, you're on candid camera, man.
This is fucked up.
It is. It's wild. Woo! And that's what lake effect snow looks like.